kindergarten. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. And Charlie and I are just here to share with you a little writing lesson. And I'm going to read you a story after this, but I wanted to just review a little bit about writing a Fab Five sentence because I'm going to have you guys write 2 sentences today with facts that you've learned about the sun. So we've been doing a little bit of that in science, right? And so I want you to listen to this story after this video and then pick 2 facts that you've learned about the sun, and we're going to write them. Okay, so let's talk about a Fab Five sentence. Charlie, what does a Fab Five sentence have? Let's review. So, a Fab Five sentence, right? It starts with an uppercase letter. There are spaces between our words. We have a period or an exclamation point, or if it's a question mark at the end. And then all of our words are stretched out with all the sounds that we hear. Our sight words are spelled correctly, and we're using our best handwriting, right? So, thanks, Charlie, for your help. Okay, so let's talk about a Fab Five sentence and write one together. So you guys help me out. I think I'm going to write a fact that I learned from that last video. And that fact is that the sun is a star, right? The sun is our star, right? Earth's star. And we couldn't live without it. So I'm going to write the sentence, the sun is a star. So here we go. I'm going to start with what kind of letter? What kind of letter? It's an uppercase letter, right? So I'm going to write the word the. So here we go. I'm going to write this sight word correctly. We all know how to write the. And then I'm going to put a space between my words, right? I'm going to stretch out sun. Stretch it with me. Good job, Charlie. What does that spell? Sun! Here we go. All right, and then sight word is. Here we go. Is, space, A. And then my last one is star. What are all of the sounds you hear in star? S, t. Ooh, does anybody remember what those 2 letters are that say R like a pirate? Think about your sight word R. It's A-R, you're right. So here we go, star. What do I need at the end of my sentence? A period, you've got it. So is my sentence Fab Five? Great. And you are going to write 2 Fab Five sentences telling me what you learned about the sun. And I also want to see a beautiful detailed picture that we've been working on all year. You guys are such incredible artists. Make sure you have 5 or more colors and have fun writing. When you're done, upload it to Seesaw so I can take a look. I hope you have a wonderful day. Mwah! Miss you all. Sun is Kind of a Big Deal by Nick Saluk. All of the planets and the sun live together in the solar system like a big family. The sun is our solar system's very own star. Seriously, the sun is an actual star. It's the only star in our solar system, and it sits right in the center, holding everything together. Jupiter says, "Can I have your autograph?" The sun is the biggest thing in the solar system. It's even bigger than Earth. Way bigger. Way, way bigger. Like over 1,000,000 times bigger. There are much bigger stars than the sun, but all of the other stars that you see are really, 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 really far away. Really. The other stars are in totally different solar systems and have their own planets. It takes a whole year for the Earth to go all the way around the sun. Do you know how many times you've been around the sun? Hint, how old are you? The sun gives us light so we can see, but it takes about 8 minutes for the light to get to us because the sun is so far away. It's worth the wait. Earth spins around in a full circle every day. That is why, when it's nighttime for you, it's daytime on the other side of the world. Keeping us warm is another really important part of the sun's job. The sun is hotter than you can imagine, way hotter than fire. Its temperature reaches millions of degrees in the center. While Earth is moving around the sun, it is spinning on a tilt. That is why we have seasons. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Because of Earth's tilt, the top half and bottom half of the world experience seasons at different times. When the bottom half of the Earth is tilted toward the sun, it is summer there. It also means that at the top half of the Earth, when it's tilted away from the sun, which makes it winter there. The sun is pretty great. It's always around, keeping the whole solar system together. It gives us light and keeps us warm. It helps us bring rain and grow plants to produce the oxygen we breathe. It is such a big part of our lives that we wouldn't be able to live without it. The sun works really hard to help us out. That's kind of a big deal. Now you guys are going to write 2 facts about the sun in your journal or on a piece of paper. Draw a beautiful detailed picture and upload it to Seesaw.